Welcome to Hearing Instrument Top Tips from Veritas Hearing Malta. My name is Robin, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change a battery in a very small hearing instrument, commonly called either a completely in the canal or CIC, or an invisible in the canal or IIC. So in front of us here we have a titanium hearing instrument, one of the smallest available on the market. I also have a couple of other things on the table in front of me. I have what's called a multi-tool, which has a brush on the one end, a magnet on the other, which allows me to change the battery more easily. And I also have a packet of batteries. These particular batteries are size 10, so they come in a yellow packet. So if you've been wearing your hearing instrument and the battery warning tones have gone to tell you that you need to change your battery, first thing we need to do is to remove the old battery. So if I turn the hearing instrument around, and you'll see a black faceplate there, if I just pop that open and the battery becomes visible there. If I then take my multi-tool, and I'm going to be using the magnet on the end there, if I just pop that onto the battery, and that allows me to remove the battery nice and easily, and then I can dispose of the battery in the way that I normally would. Then take my pack of batteries. On the back there's a little flap that I need to open, and I can just bring a fresh battery out that way. You'll notice that the battery has a yellow tab on it with some plus signs on it. That denotes that that's the positive side of the battery. So if I peel that tab off, what I then normally recommend is that you stick that tab onto either a kitchen calendar or a diary, put it on today's date, and then at a glance you'll see how long your batteries are lasting you. One other useful tool is if we use useful tip I should say, if we use the magnet on the end of the tool to pick the battery up, that will ensure that we always insert the battery the right way up, and we pop the battery into the battery drawer, making sure it's nice and flush and that the drawer closes nice and easily. Click that all the way shut, and you're good to go.